In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. Sharing files during a meeting can significantly enhance collaboration by providing all participants with access to the same resources. Whether you're sharing a presentation or important documents, being able to distribute these files effectively is crucial. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is create an event or open an existing event in Google Calendar. This is a necessary step because Google Meet sessions are often linked to calendar events. So if you're planning a meeting in advance, you can conveniently prepare all your attachments ahead of time. In your calendar, click on the date and time of your meeting to bring up the event details. If you're creating a new event, you'll want to click on More Options, which will give you room to add your files and set other preferences. Now let's focus on inserting the files you want to share. You have two options here. You can either choose a file that you've already stored in your Google Drive, ensuring easy and quick access. Alternatively, if the file you wish to share isn't uploaded to your drive yet, you can insert and paste the link to the file. This is especially useful for files stored in other cloud services or web platforms. When choosing a file from Google Drive, you might want to double check the sharing settings. Ensure that access is granted to everyone in your meeting so no one is left clicking on a link they can't open. A little tip, adjusting permissions in advance will save you from the awkward pause of fixing permissions during your live session. Once you've selected your file or inserted your link, remember to click on Save. This step is crucial. It locks in the changes you've made to your event and ensures everything is all set before the meeting starts. Skipping this might mean you have to go through the process again, which we definitely want to avoid. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can prepare your Google Meet sessions with all the necessary files and attachments right at the tip of your fingers. Participants will have quick access to all the vital materials they need, leading to an efficient and seamless meeting experience. Plus, once you've set this up, it makes starting the actual meeting much smoother. You can then focus on the discussion at hand rather than the logistics of file sharing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful. Remember to check your settings and prepare your files ahead of time, and you'll experience a tremendous boost in productivity and communication during your meetings.